दादा की बगिया में नए नए से फूल खिलाए, मधुर फिगर भारत की सारा जग फिर से मैं खाए। अपने सारे भेदभाव भूलकर आपस में मिलजुल कर शक्ति एकता में कितनी है सब रेसू सबको समझाए। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब भाई भाई बन जाए तो पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण देश के हर कोने कोने में यही परचम फैलाए। अपने अपने भेद बुलाकर आओ मिलकर त्योहार बनाए, हम सब त्योहार बनाए। Yes, my dear friends, with immense pride, we can say we are truly credible Indian, celebrating festival across India, all the way, whether Hindu, Muslim, or Christian. Thank you.
The beauty of India lies in its diversity and the colorful celebration of their cultures and traditions through these festivals. Religious festivities are Eid, Diwali, Holy Christmas, and many more they vary. Even one festival celebrated in many ways, joining people all together with love message. It says harvesting is a festive moment. It's all about happiness and time spent together. Lohri in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, and Onam in Kerala, Ugadi in Andhra, and Pongal in Tamil, all with different styles and colors. Not a free second in this festive buzz. What shall I tell more about my country? Full of festivals, all different but with style may amaze. January 14th is one such special day which marks the celebration of the festival of harvest. People in different states of India celebrate this day with pomp and vigor.
लोहड़ी आई, लोहड़ी आई, लोहड़ी आई, लोहड़ी आई, सर्दी खत्म होने को आई। दिन बड़ा होने की खुशी में सबने मिलकर लोहड़ी बनाई। 13 जनवरी का दिन आया, खुशियों ने डेरा डाला, खुशियों ने मिलकर डेरा डाला। सुंदरी मुंदरी का गीत से सबने मिलकर लोहड़ी का त्योहार बनाया। लोहड़ी is a popular festival in North India and especially in India state of Punjab. It falls on 13 January every year. Before one night, Lohri is observed before one night before Makar Sankranti, a festival that marks the end of winters, beginning of longer days. Thank you.
सुंदर मुंदड़िए तेरा कौन बेचारा, दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले धी आई, शेर शक्कर पाई, कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा, सालू कौन समेटे। आंदियां ने लोड़ियां मनाउंदियां ने जोड़ियां, भैणां पईयां गाउंदियां भरावां दियां घोड़ियां, जोड़ियां दे शगन मना।
जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी। जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी। जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी। ए भैण भरावां दी लोड़ी
ਬਰਾਤ ਆਈ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਰਾਤ ਆਈ ਠੰਡੀ ਠੰਡੀ ਵਗਦੀ ਹਵਾ
ਇਹ ਲਾਡ ਮਲਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਲਾਡ ਮਲਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤਈਓ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤਈਓ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
आओ हम सब मकर संक्रांति बनाए तिल के लड्डू मिलकर खाए घर में हम सब खुशियाँ फैलाए पतंगे हम खूब उड़ाए सब मिलकर हम नाचे गाए मौज मस्ती खूब उड़ाए मकर संक्रांति is celebrated in the western state of India, Gujarat. This day marks the arrival of harvesting season. People show their respect to the sun god. The celebrations includes flying kites, cooking jundi and jalebi, and worshipping the sun god. Sent God sugar cane to cow and dogs, sweet rice to you and me, good milk to friends and family. Pongal is the festival of harvest. It is celebrated in the southern state of India, Tamil Nadu. This day marks the beginning of the reaping season. The celebration involves cooking of a sweet dish made of rice called pongal, from where the festival derives its name.
Dear children, parents, and teachers, warm greetings. I'm sure you all enjoyed celebrating the festival of Bihu, Lodi, Pongal, and Makar Sankranti together with your families. Anekta mein ekta. Through this assembly, Class 1 learners have really tried to touch upon the topic of unity in diversity that relates to the state of togetherness or integrity despite the presence of infinite diversity. Unity and diversity is based on the concept where the various individuals they have variations in physical qualities, skin color, caste, creed, cultural, and religious traditions. But it is not seen as a dispute. Rather, these differences are viewed upon as varieties that improve the society and the nation as a whole. India is a large country. Different regions observe changes in climate. The spoken language of one state is quite different from the other. They wear different attires. They celebrate different festivals and perform varied religious rituals. But they influence one another and are motivated by the ideals of Oriental civilization. Though there are different communities and religions, the fact remains that despite these divisions and differences, we have lived together for thousands of years in the country called India and lived and have a deep-rooted respect for each other. There is this sense of togetherness and integration that holds people together and the bond that guides them to the path of righteousness and leads to harmonious coexistence. People of India came together and celebrated 4 different festivals in different regions of India: Lodi, Makar Sankranti, and Pongal in different parts of India. So, unity in diversity is the way into solidarity. Solidarity not only in terms of unity, but it also implies to the practice of mercy, communication, kindness, friendship, and a divisionless human society. In today's world, we need to start practicing solidarity in a vast form. Even we can take very simple yet strong steps at the school level with our young learners to get to the deeper meaning of solidarity. Our school looks like mini India. It has a happy ambience of love and care where all the children, teachers, and members of the staff, they come together and celebrate different festivals. The school encourages learners also to practice building friendly neighborhood, providing care and comfort to the needy, using the national resources judiciously, and above all, to hold the values of a country at the highest. So let us come together and recommit ourselves to inculcate these values in our young learners and fulfill this objective so that we are all actually able to live up to this title of Anekta Mein Ekta, or unity in diversity, and take pride in that actually. We belong here to India. So let's do it. Together we can. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and great good day ahead.
ரத்தக்கல்லி மூக்குத்தியா அடி நெடு நெடுன்னு போறவளே நீ வப்பியா தஞ்சாவூர் சந்தையில மூக்குத்தியா நான் தங்கத்தில வாங்கி வந்தேன் நீ வப்பியா ஆல ஆல மலை மேல அடியா காட்டி குருவி இல மேல அடியால ஆல மலை மேல அடியா காட்டி குருவி இல மேல
Bihu is the main festival of Assam. The celebration of Bihu in the month of January is known as Marg Bihu. This marks the beginning of the change of season. The celebration mainly includes cooking of variety of dishes and dancing to the tunes of folk songs. Other states in India also celebrate the festival of harvesting. For example, in West Bengal, people celebrate this day as Poch Barban and as Sakranti in the states of Bihar and Jharkhand.
ও যে তো কাবুলিয়া ওই আমারে না সনি ওই বিহুর পাই বাতরি ওই এরিলে ভুকরে পথারতে পেপাতি বাজিলে লাহরি গগনাত রিঙিয়াই মাতিলে বর পথারতে পেপাতি বাজিলে লাহরি গগনাত রিঙিয়াই মাতিলে ও মোর সেনাই ঐ ও মোর শুনাই ঐ ঘৰতে মন বহা হে বহুতা তোর পাতত চকুৱালি বাতত মন মোৰ নাথাকে দেহাৰি ভিতৰত হে বহুতা তোৰ পাতত চকুৱালি বাতত
We are indeed fortunate to be living in a country like India, wherein there is so much celebration all across throughout the year. We can definitely say, for cultures, religions, or for many reasons, festivals are for many reasons. Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Gurbar, culture, festivals all spread love. Holi, Baisakhi, Pongal, Onam, harvest festivals are farmers' fun. Basant, Panchami, Sakranti, Lohri, Teej. Seasonal festivals tell us to please. National festivals are our pride. They are celebrated countrywide. Gifts and greetings, sweets and fair. Festivals tell us how much we care. Thank you.